We are in Lailpur, Assam, where a violent clash was reported between the Mizoram police and the Assam police on the 26th of July. 6 personnel of the Assam police were killed while 50 others were gravely injured in the clash. At the heart of this clash is an 8x8 post that was being constructed by the Mizoram police for its reserve battalion on a hillock which runs adjacent to the National Highway 306, which connects Assam to Mizoram. The situation at the clash site remains tense, with the Mizoram police on one side and the CRPF on the other. The under construction hut, along with 2 other posts of Mizoram IRB, are riddled with countless bullet marks. Broken bricks, heavy stones are strewn across the road, and a vandalized bus with Mizoram sprayed on it in deep pink lies in the middle of the highway. There is a heavy presence of 3 different forces: Assam Police, Mizoram Police, and the Central Reserve Police Force at the spot. Recalling the incident of 26 July, a CRPF official who did not wish to come on camera said that it was around 11 am on 26 July when more than 250 people, including Assam police personnel, the divisional forest officer, senior functionaries, and residents from nearby villages of Assam, reached the disputed site asking Mizoram IRB to stop the construction as it was illegal and vacate the hillock. When the Mizoram IRB personnel, who were a few in number, refused to move, the Assam police allegedly heckled and chased them away, taking charge of the area. Moments later, the Assamese personnel found themselves in an ambush, with Mizoram policemen calling for reinforcement, positioning themselves on the hills just meters away from the site and pouring fire downwards using light machine guns. The Assam police too opened fire, lobbed tear gas shells, but being at a height gave Mizoram police an advantage. According to eyewitnesses, over 500 rounds were fired. Residents from Mizoram and Assam side too gathered and started throwing stones at each other, vandalizing vehicles, turning the area into a battlefield. The area was finally reoccupied by the Mizoram police later in the day after the Assam police retreated. The Mizoram IRB post, the bone of contention between the two states, was set up in October 2020 to secure the area after over 20 temporary bamboo huts constructed along the same National Highway 306 by Assamese people were burnt down, allegedly by people of Mizoram, and it was followed by clashes between villagers of Lailpur and Verangate in Mizoram. Before that, the Mizoram border post was 100 meters further inside Mizoram. A separate border post was also constructed by the Assam police. As the situation in the area remained tense, the Union Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla on Tuesday took a meeting with all the stakeholders, and it has been decided that the CRPF is going to take over the disputed 4-kilometer stretch, and both the police forces of both the states will have to retreat. So now the 4-kilometer stretch that was earlier also guarded by the state police will be completely taken over by the CRPF till a permanent solution is found. This is Ananya Bharadwaj with Praveen Jain reporting for The Print.